we have an equation we're trying to solve, so of course we're going to use PEMDAS in reverse. If I look outside these parentheses, there's nothing to add or subtract. Outside the parentheses, there's nothing to multiply or divide, but there is an exponent to get rid of. It's a normal whole number exponent, so I'm going to use the corresponding sixth root and sixth root. That will make these cancel, giving me an x minus 3. But because the power I got rid of was even, I do have to include a plus or minus. And then to figure out what number multiplies by itself 6 times to give me 729, I might just use the old calculator here. And of course we know the 6th root of 729 is the same thing as 729 to the 1/6 power. So it gives me 3. Or you can use guess and check if you'd like. At any rate, this ends up equaling 3. And now x is still not by itself, so I'm starting back with order of operations in reverse. I want to get this x by itself, so I need to get rid of this by adding 3 to both sides. And I'll have two answers. One will be x equals 3 plus 3, and one will be 3 minus 3. So 3 plus 3 makes 6, 3 minus 3 makes 0. And the final thing to do is really to check both of these answers and make sure they actually work. So that's where the calculator comes in handy again. If x is 6, I have the quantity of 6 minus 3 to the 6th power. Hopefully it's 729. It is. And then I have 0 minus 3 to the 6th power, which hopefully is 729. It is. So both of these answers end up working. Those are my answers. And the big news, of course, is to get rid of powers, I use the corresponding root. And I may need to use a little bit of help from my calculator to figure out what number actually satisfies that condition. Good luck!